Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this lace bow baby headband using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare cotton fabric and lace fabric. The size is about 5 inches long and 3 inches wide. The size of the lace fabric should be larger than the cotton fabric. Place the lace fabric in the middle and pin it. I will sew this part. Cut the excess lace fabric and cut the center here to let us turn the fabric. Be careful not to cut through the lace fabric inside. Like this. Turn the fabric inside out. Now pinch the bow and stitch. Our bow is done, and now prepare the other materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this chiffon and tulle flower. You can click the link here. For this little peony fabric flower, you can watch the tutorial here. And we are going to need stamen, a piece of lace, felt fabric. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. An elastic band, and some tools like hot glue gun and pliers. First, attach these two flowers together. Cut the stamen using pliers. And put the stamen between the flowers. attach the lace. And attach this piece of fabric. Next, attach these flowers to the bow. Measure the felt fabric. Attach the elastic band to the bow. Our lace bow baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.